Okay, this is the Osram Slim Max 1000. Okay, 1000 lumen. So pag on yan, unang pindot. Okay, wait ha. Okay, meron kang flashlight. Next pindot, meron kang yung service light, magnetic, and also nadidim yung light. Okay, nadidim. Okay, bendable neck. Okay, bendable neck. And then meron ding hook. May hook sa ilalim para pwede mong isabit. Okay, so that's the Slim Max 1000. Okay. Ito ngayon is the Slim 500. Okay. This is a bit more expensive than the Slim Max 1000, pero the reason why it's expensive, it's more there's more features to it. Okay. So ayan, pwede mong na-adjust yung lakas ng ilaw. Okay. Then, it's magnetic here, tsaka sa side. Okay. May hook din nakasama, which you can fold. Ayan, nafo-fold. Okay. Then, natitiklop na, bend mo din yung katawan. Okay. Patayin natin. Okay. Yan. You have the Pocket 200. Ito yung Pocket 200. Maliit lang. Okay. Meron kang flashlight. And then, yung service light. Magnetic. Nabe-bend. Okay. Okay. Off natin. Tapos, nakiklip mo sa pocket. Okay. Yan. Then we have this is the Mini 250. Okay. This is the Mini 250. Okay. Dalawang mode ang intensity ng light. Meron ding flashlight. Okay. You can fold it. Pwede mo ring i-pocket. May hook sa ilalim, magnetic. Okay, that's a Mini 250. Okay, this is the head torch 250. Okay, as you can see yan. Pero napaka-lakas. Yan. Papatay ng ilaw. Yan, okay. So, yan. Oh. So, malakas. Okay. So take your pick.